It began, as many stories do, in the vast emptiness of space. A star, ancient and colossal, reached the end of its life. It erupted in a supernova, a cosmic blast of unimaginable power. This wasn't just any supernova. This one was different. This one held a secret. The light from the explosion took centuries to reach Earth. When it did, it painted the night sky with breathtaking colors. People all over the world gazed upwards in awe. Little did they know, something else was traveling towards them, something born in the heart of that dying star. This supernova, you see, didn't just release light and energy, it released something new, microscopic particles called zirons. These zirons, invisible to the eye, carried a spark of the supernova's power. They traveled across the universe, silent and unseen, until they finally reached Earth. The zirons showered down upon our planet, absorbed by everything they touched. Most people remained unaware. Life went on, but for some, a change was coming, a change more profound than anyone could have imagined. The zirons, those tiny sparks of cosmic energy, didn't affect everyone the same way. For most, they were harmless. But in a select few, those with a certain genetic predisposition, the zirons acted like seeds, lying dormant until, one by one, they began to sprout. Imagine a teenage girl, shy and bookish, suddenly discovering she could lift a car to save a child, or a young athlete pushing his limits only to find he could run faster than a speeding train. These were the first signs, the first hints that humanity was evolving. The powers manifested in different ways. Some people could control the elements, summoning storms or quelling earthquakes. Others could heal the sick with a touch or read minds with a glance. There were teleporters, phasing through walls, and telekinetics, moving objects with their minds. The possibilities seemed endless, as varied and unique as humanity itself. The world watched in amazement, fear, and confusion. Were these superhumans a gift, a curse, or something in between? One thing was clear: the zirons had awakened something extraordinary, and life on Earth would never be the same. The emergence of superhumans, or evolved as they came to be known, sent shockwaves across the globe. Governments scrambled, scientists raced to understand the phenomenon, and ordinary people grappled with the implications of a world where the impossible was now possible. One of the first evolved, a young woman named Sarah, discovered she could manipulate light. She could become invisible, blind her enemies with flashes, and even project holographic images. Her abilities, though awe-inspiring, also made her a target, both of fear and of those who sought to exploit her powers. Then there was Marcus, a former firefighter who gained the ability to control fire. He became a symbol of hope, rescuing people from burning buildings and containing wildfires with a wave of his hand. But his story also highlighted the moral dilemmas of this new world. How much power was too much? And who got to decide how it was used? As more and more evolved emerged, nations formed special divisions, some to monitor and control, others to recruit and weaponize these extraordinary individuals. Research facilities dedicated to studying zirons and the evolved sprang up like mushrooms after a storm, all eager to unlock the secrets of this cosmic phenomenon. The world was changing rapidly and irrevocably, and humanity had to adapt.